Shape your future with COMSATS University Islamabad, WA campus. Learn from the best with world-class faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and a curriculum designed for the future. Offering a diverse range of Bachelor of Science programs, Master of Science programs, Doctor of Philosophy programs designed to equip you for success. Our silent features: unlimited scholarships, a vibrant campus life, and an emphasis on hands-on learning and innovation. Application deadline: 10th January 2025. Take advantage of our scholarships and free NAT and GAT preparatory classes to make your dreams a reality. Apply online today. admissions.comsats.edu.pk. Join a community that fosters growth, creativity, and success. Apply today.